What's going on, guys? Tony here, hanging out with you from learnautobodyandpaint.com in Paradise Garage. Just hanging out. If you guys can please type in the chat and let me know if you guys can hear and see me. Quick little feedback would be great. This way I know I'm not talking to the air, the ether, which is fine as well. As long as the vibrations get out there. But we're going to be doing about 20 to 30 minutes of Autobody questions and answers. So if you guys have any questions pertaining to your project, I'll be more than happy to help you out, give you some tips, some feedback, and pretty much it. So any VIPs on, any Learn Autobody VIP members on, you could type in the chat and just say, hey, VIP tuning in from, wherever you're tuning in from. Let us know. I hope this time is also working out for you guys. I know we're doing a little bit later, 8 p.m. Eastern. Maybe we'll change it up. Once we get to summertime again in the next few months, we'll change it out. But I hope everyone's doing well. So again, guys, if you're just tuning in, type in the chat. Let me know if you guys can hear and see me. I don't see anything coming in. Maybe this page is frozen or whatever. It does kind of look messed up. But yeah, guys, type in the chat. Let me know what's up. If you're a total newbie just tuning in for the first time, type in newbie. And we could talk about some quick auto body questions and answers. Anything you guys have, anything you're hung up on, let me know and we can talk about it. Dan, thank you for the feedback. Awesome, bro. How are you doing? What's up, Unity? What's up, bro? Hope all is well. Did any of you guys go through the complete RADS formula paint training? RADS paint formula paint training? Let me know. I'm kind of curious what you guys thought of that. And I'm going to post a link here for all you newbies just tuning in. If you want to learn how to spray like a pro, check out my little mini course at the radspaintformula.com. You could, if you're watching the replay of this, you can just click the description down below here or top right of the video. A card will pop out where you can basically visit radspaintformula.com/rads. Just curious if you guys like that. Anyway, Peter Miller, what's going on, bro? VIP Tasmania, Australia, loud and clear. That's awesome. I've never been to Australia. My wife was there before she was my wife. And yeah. She was like 19, I think. Like right before she met me, she was in Australia for a little while. And she came to Hawaii, and that's how I met my wife 16 years ago. Probably more than that. I think she's my wife for 16 years, but she's I've known her for like since 2005, 15, 18 years. I know my wife 18 years. We're married 16 years. That's freaking crazy, dude. Anyway, what's going on? Wins Custom Automotive Refinishing. Hey, my brother, how's it going? We'll be on your live next week, just at work with no work at the moment. Lifetime VIP, Perth, Australia. Man, I would love to visit Australia. It's been on my bucket list. I want to go there one day, check it out. Perth, Australia, I've heard a lot of good things. Tasmania, Australia, I've heard some things about there. I just don't know. I know Brisbane, I heard about that place. It's just so big over there. I don't know, if I were to come for the first time, I don't know like where I'd want to go. Probably want to check out a couple places at least two major areas, at least, hang out for a week in each area, Anyway, you see my finished Oot, brother, and have you seen the roof? I haven't seen it, bro. Send me the link. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I'm not on Facebook that much. But the other VIP guys on. Just dude, please shoot me a link. Send me a link where I can check that stuff out because I definitely do want to check it out. Dan says I did the rad thing initially, but plan to redo possibly this weekend. Awesome. Embray Smith says loud and clear, Lakeville, New York. What's going on, Embray Smith? Anyway, guys, any auto body Q&A? If not, we could just talk about some random stuff. We could talk about crypto. We could talk about whatever. I don't care. But this is mainly an auto body Q&A chat. So if you guys want to, ask some questions pertaining to auto body, now is the time. If not, no worries. For all the newbies just tuning in, if you want to get some free training on auto body, don't forget to check the links in the description down below or on the little cards here at learnautobodyandpaint.com. You can get some free training there. Or if you want to get the RADS paint formula, which is a different training for free, check out radspaintformula.com. We'll jump out and send you the short to it. But yes, the car is done. We'll be flow coating it next week. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, so I am going to be doing a couple paint jobs myself shortly. Probably in the next few weeks. We're going to start doing some body work and all. Let me see here. My daughter's about to feed the dogs. I think she's going to want this. So where are you guys tuning in from, guys? Type in the chat where you're tuning in from. If you guys have any auto body Q&A, let me know. We can talk about it, talk about your projects, what stage you're at. I know you guys are in the winter time now, right? Australia, or is it summer? Or what season is it there? No. When it's summer here, it's winter there. So if it's winter here, it's probably summertime by you. Give or take, right? All right, guys. Looks like a lot of guys just chilling here. Not too much activity today. No questions. If we got no questions, then I don't want to keep everybody here for nothing. If you guys want to talk about crypto or I don't know, whatever. Like I do crypto daily, man. That's like my thing. Yeah, bro. Email me, no problemo. And my apologies for last week. Couldn't make it. Had a few things, going, and I just couldn't make the stream. Got so hung up, Anyway. Let's see here. I'm going to drop a couple links while we're here. I don't want to just disappear right away. We'll probably go for another few minutes then if we got no Q&A. If you guys are interested in cryptocurrency and generating money and cash flow with crypto, check out cryptowaters.com over here. I'm going to send you the link. Oh, and also one other thing. Check out my site, Crypto Waters. I should have actually, I don't know why, I removed the picture of me on it. It's so much more credible with the picture of me on here. But this is my site, guys, cryptowaters.com. If you want to learn how to play with decentralized finance and make money, much higher yields than having your money in a bank account, then convert some of your cash into crypto, and I can show you how to do that. And this is my site, cryptowaters.com, where I show you how to do all that types of stuff. Also, guys, Zula.com, I partner with them. We're doing a special. If you buy the Atom X88, we're giving away the VIP course for free. So if you guys are interested in that offer, check that out. So if you guys are looking for an awesome spray gun Check it out. They're doing a sale on the Atom X88, which is this spray gun here. This is the Blue Moon. The Infinity is just a different color. It's the red and purple version. Um, Pick this gun up and we will give you the auto body and paint course for free, lifetime access, which actually sells for $179 right now for lifetime access to the VIP course. The first batch of clear I used was slow hardener, but the second batch was fast hardener. Can this change the color of the base coat? My driver's door looks brighter. I've never heard of that before. I really don't think so. Yeah, I'm not sure why you used a fast hardener on the second time around versus just going with a slow or medium again. I like to use slow on complete paint jobs, give your clear coat a nice time to flow out. You know, you don't want it curing too quickly. You want your clear coat to flow out, and that's why slow reducers are recommended, and slow reducers and hardeners are recommended for complete paint jobs. What's up, Gail? How you doing, bro? Hope all is well. Shout out from the Barbados. Awesome, man. What's up? Shout out from Hawaii here. Sanding down roof after coat 1, many runs. Ouch, still too cold to paint. Yeah, you might want to wait till it warms up a little, man. Okay, Tony, to paint a pickup truck, is it necessary to remove the bed? No, it's not. I've done many pickup trucks just by leaving it all together and just painting it, you know. And when you get to the bed area where you got a little bit more gapping between the cab and bed, you know, you just kind of like spray up, you know, up and down on an angle each side just to get your base coat and clear coat in there, and you're fine. That's pretty much it. You know, you're not going to see that far in to be like, oh wow, it's not painted in there, you know. But if you're doing like a custom job, a classic or whatever, then yeah, you would want to separate the bed and cab. This way you can get the back of the cab, especially if you're doing a color change paint job. And that's, you know, that's what you want to do. And I've done that many times on customer jobs back in the day, basically, you know, removing the cab, unbolting it, setting it back to where you could at least step inside between the frame, paint the back of the cab, turn around, paint the back of the bed, and have it all painted before you just put it back together and bolt it down. So it's really up to you. You know, it's up to you. It's up to if you're getting paid extra for it. You know, some customers don't care. Some customers are like, yeah, do it. If it's your own personal sentimental project, then you might want to do it. Maybe you might not want to do it. You know, it's all, you know, what you want to do. Yo, see you next week, bro. See you next week. No problems. Yep, you got it, bro. That's what he gave to my wife when she picked it up for me. I'm gonna see him next week about a while. Okay, cool. Yeah, guys. So seems like a pretty slow day today. Maybe everyone's busy. So we're gonna call it a day. You know, we're on like 15 minutes so far, unless we got one last auto body question. If not, we're gonna wrap it up today, make it a short one. I'm usually on 30 minutes, sometimes 45 minutes. You know, sometimes we get 30, 40 guys on here and there's a lot of Q&A, but today seems like a dead day today. So again, guys, if you're a total newbie just tuning in for the first time, I'm going to drop the link to learn autobodyandpaint.com. For the RADS paint formula training, it's a different training here. It's a 5-part video series that I put together recently. People like it. Check this site out here, RADS Paint Formula. And again, Zula.com. If you invest in the Atom X88 spray gun, I'm going to gift you my Auto Body and Paint VIP program, which has over 250 hours of step-by-step auto body videos, all organized. You're going to be able to get that for free. Showing off sent a quick question. I don't see it. If you want to paste it here, oh, here we go. I'm interested in getting my Suburban repainted to a nice custom color. Should I have my painter take it down to metal? No, it's not needed. It's not needed to take it down to metal. All right. If your paint is in pretty good condition, you just have to sand it down, get it to about 400 grit, ready for paint, and you could paint right over it. Or you can sand it down to 150, 180. Put a nice filler primer over the whole thing, block it down, and then paint it. So it's up to you if you want to prime and paint it, or like I said, if the paint is in good enough condition, you could actually paint right over clear coat. So it's a good foundation as is. You know what I mean? All right. Hopefully that answered your question. All right, guys. Have a great week. I'll see you next week, same time. We'll do some Autobody Q&A. Hopefully we get more guys on there. I'm going to close it off today. Slow day today. So good luck with everything. If you have any questions, save them up for next week. You can also send in images, video. I suggest under 3 minutes. If you're going to send me a video of your project, under 3 minutes of your issue or what you plan to do, the advice you're looking to get, send me that video or pictures, and I can help you out and answer your questions. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great week. Peace.